Hi and welcome back to Partick Hill Station. Not exactly at the station today, but I had ordered the contents of this package and had them delivered here in Nashville because postage costs were so much cheaper than trying to get them from the UK. So let's just have a look, see what we've got in here. So there you go. I've got two of these. They are SL47 and they're non-operational, as you can see, but once painted, weathered, they will look great, I'm sure, on the track. Excuse me. There are 6 in each package, and I think they were about $7 or $8 US each, and it was $13 to post them from California to here in Nashville. Now that was so much cheaper than trying to get them from the UK, which was, like £20-30 to get them over to Toronto. So this was a better idea that I had, and it worked out really well. It pays to shop around and get the right price. So, I'll find spots for these on the layout. Once again, it's Peco SL47. And I've been hunting these for quite a while, trying to get the right price and delivery, which is really the killer at times when you're trying to find something on eBay. I've did a couple of sketches here at a car meet yesterday. So once we get back to Toronto, I'll get them weathered and down on the track. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll catch you later. Bye for now.